You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly in English. If you want to learn more pronunciations and what is the meaning, stay tuned. We got a ton more. This is of English origin. It's named after an island, meaning fierce, and egg. Kelsey is how it's usually pronounced in English. How to pronounce Kelsey. I know the spelling makes it a little bit confusing. It's not Kelsey, Kelsey. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.